Mastering the third conditional, perfecting perfect conditionals. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to our grammar journey. Today we're diving into a topic that can be a little tricky, but with a bit of patience and practice, you'll be mastering it in no time. We're talking about the third conditional, specifically focusing on the perfect conditional tense. Let's get started. First off, let's quickly recap the structure of third conditional sentences. They're formed by using two parts. 1. If clause uses the past perfect tense. If plus had plus past participle. 2. Main clause uses the perfect conditional tense, would have plus past participle. So, a basic third conditional sentence might look like this. If I had studied, I would have passed the exam. The first part, if I had studied, is the if clause, showing the condition. The second part, I would have passed the exam, is the main clause, showing the hypothetical result. The perfect conditional tense is the key player in our main clause. It's formed with would have, followed by a past participle. This tense is used to talk about hypothetical outcomes in the past, things that did not happen, but could have if the conditions were different. Let's look at some examples. I would have gone to the party if I hadn't been so tired. This means that I didn't go to the party because I was tired. She would have passed the test if she had studied. This means she didn't pass the test because she didn't study. Remember, the perfect conditional tense in the main clause always depends on the condition expressed in the if clause. You can also make negative sentences and ask questions using the perfect conditional tense. For negative sentences, just add not after would. For example, I would not have eaten the cake if I had known it was your birthday cake. To form questions, switch would and the subject. For example, would you have gone to the concert if you had had a ticket? As with all aspects of language learning, practice is essential. Try making your own third conditional sentences, either writing them down or saying them aloud. Start with simple situations and gradually increase the complexity. And there you have it. That's the third conditional, with a focus on the perfect conditional tense. We hope this lesson has been helpful for you. Remember, it's perfectly okay if it takes some time to get the hang of this. Just keep practicing and you'll get there. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.